If you're struggling to stay consistent with your content, using a content calendar is one of the easiest and most effective ways to fix that. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to use a content calendar to stay on track, plan ahead, and keep your content flowing consistently. First off, let's talk about why consistency matters. Without consistency, it's easy to lose momentum and your audience might lose interest. By planning ahead with a content calendar, you take out the guesswork and create a roadmap to follow. This helps you stay organized, reduce stress, and always know what's coming next. Start by choosing a platform or software that works for you. I've tried a lot of the most popular ones, and I'll be sharing the one that's worked best for me in just a second. But the key is to pick something that you'll actually use, not just something that looks good on paper. It needs to fit your workflow. Once you've got your software or platform set up, the next step is to fill in your content ideas. This is where you need to think about the types of content you want to create and when you want to publish them. Start by looking at a month or even a quarter. You want to map out your content on a bigger scale so you're not scrambling last minute. Now let's talk about batching your content. This is a game changer when it comes to staying consistent. If you can batch create your content, you'll have a steady flow even on days when you don't feel like recording. Take 1 or 2 days per month and create as much as you can for the upcoming weeks. Then schedule everything into your calendar. Consistency also means hitting deadlines. And if you're working with a team or have multiple people helping with content, a content calendar ensures that everyone is on the same page. You'll know who's responsible for what and by when. This takes the pressure off and prevents chaos. When using your calendar, it's essential to have flexibility. Life happens, so make sure you build in buffer time for unexpected events. If something needs to change, just move things around. A content calendar should feel like a helpful tool, not a rigid set of rules. For those of you who want to follow along with exactly what I'm using, there's a link in the description for an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend. It's perfect for anyone looking to stay consistent without getting overwhelmed. A key takeaway from this video: your content calendar is only as effective as the time you put into it. Plan ahead, batch your content, and stay flexible. By doing this, you'll never be scrambling for content again, and consistency will become second nature. Quick revision of the main points: choose the right software, map out your content ideas, batch create content, stick to deadlines, and leave room for flexibility. And don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching.